democracy, and while this did include easing restrictions on religion in public life, such as allowing women to wear headscarves in government offices, it also included significant new minority rights, including Kurdish language education. Crucially, he also reined in the military. But beneath this, there were now growing concerns about Erdogan. Having seemingly defeated all internal opposition when the AKP won another overwhelming victory in 2007, the elections in 2011 were tainted by allegations of electoral fraud. However, the real turning point came in May 2013 when police moved in to disband a group of protesters trying to block the development of a small park in central Istanbul. Over the following weeks, what began as a tiny protest rapidly escalated to violent clashes as hundreds of thousands took to the street in mass nationwide demonstrations. While the government managed to put down the unrest,
Taint, taint.